What's up, beauties? Today I'm coming to you guys with a video. I'm going to try to tint my eyebrows. I have never tinted my eyebrows before, and I don't know, quarantine just got me wanting to do some things different. So I just figured I'll show you guys. If it fails, you guys will be the first to see, and I'm still putting it up because I really wanted to try this. So I didn't even watch a tutorial on how to do it. Like, I saw a couple girls do it. Well, the end result. But I didn't even watch like how to apply it. So I'm really just gonna go off, the directions and whatever. So first things first, I'm definitely using Dollar Tree items because your girl's on a budget. And I got a liner. Actually, this isn't the one I'm gonna use. I got an angled liner brush from Dollar Tree. And then I also got this Dollar Tree beard and mustache color. I got brown. And I also got black. Just in case I don't like the brown, I can go in with a black over it and, tomorrow. So let's just get started because I know this is going to take a minute and we ain't got time. Oh, man. See, I was kind of hoping that this was like a multi-application, but what can you do for $1, right? So it comes with a brush, this huge applicator brush, because of course it's for beards. Some gloves, which, whatever. And then it comes with the brown. One side is a developer and the other side is a colorant. So I'm just going to use like a drop of each. And hopefully I can seal it back off so it doesn't dry out. Bro, the instructions are literally inside of the box. Like, I have to tear the box open. You know, they don't want me to be great. So I guess I'm supposed to tear the box open to get the instructions. That's so stupid. I definitely encourage everyone else to do a test spot on you, but I'm not worried about it. Let's see. Just put equal parts and then wait 5 minutes. All right, that's what I got so far. So I'm going to open this up and do it. So here's a developer. I'm only going to like rip a little corner of it. Just a little corner of it. And then squeeze. Because it's just for my eyebrows. So squeeze like the smallest amount of okay. So color and developer together. Using the tip of this brush. Okay, so it's starting to tingle. So I'm guessing that it's starting to work. They said leave it on for 5 minutes. So I'm a little over 5 minutes in. I think I've been in about 7 minutes actually. And it did not look like there was much of a difference. So like even in the tray, it hadn't even changed color. So I was like, well, let me put some more. Maybe I didn't put enough on. So I went and like added some more. Like you can see it's a little thicker on my brows. It's still tingling though, y'all. So I don't know. But I don't particularly see much of a difference. Other than there's like big globs of blop on my face. So I'm gonna let it sit until something happens. Like, worst come to worst, I have to draw my eyebrows on. The horror. So it's not gonna kill me. I just wanted to see if it's gonna change though. Or maybe the brown's not dark enough to where, like, I don't know if I see anything. Comment below if you see any difference or if you see any change here, because I don't. Y'all don't mind my wig. It's definitely not cut. The lace is not cut. I just tucked it in for this video, because this is not a hair video. This is an eyebrow video. Tell me if y'all see something though. Comment below. I feel like it's starting to work a little bit, but not to what I thought it was gonna be. Like, I really thought it was gonna be like, but I'm not getting that. I'm gonna check back in about another 5 or 6 minutes just to see. Okay. So we about 10-12 minutes in, honey, and now I'm starting to see my eyebrows get a little darker. This one is giving me all of my life. Sis over here is really just struggling to come through, but we definitely see a difference. You see us getting darker a little bit. Yes, she's so out of shape, but we'll get her together with some concealer or whatnot. But baby girl over here, y'all wait till I put my makeup on. Y'all like, okay, let me be quiet. Because I'm actually liking this. So the box lied. Pretty much, it's definitely not a 5-minute developer. It still had not changed. Look at this. This is a mess. It still had not changed much inside of here. But on my eyebrows, you can definitely see the color coming into... it's coming. It's definitely coming. So I'm really excited about it. I think I'm gonna wipe it off in about another minute or so, and then we'll see what the final result is. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so what I did was I got definitely a wet rag. I'm gonna wet it and then just wipe it off. Okay, so let's do the ugly brow first. Let's see what she's doing. Ooh, okay, okay, sis. Okay, it's definitely not as dark as I wanted it to be. But she looking like something. I definitely wish that it had colored my skin just a little touch, because that was like my issue with this brow. But of course we'll just go in and fill her in. So my brows are definitely darker. We'll see what this baby look like. See, sis over here is just really acting like she wants straight A's this week. Look at her, honey. That is the one. Oh, look at her. Hey, girl. Girl, you see her? She really showing out today. I'm just going to go walk around like this. That's it. I'm going to walk around just showing this side, because this side is like really a struggle brow. I feel like I want to do it again on this side, but it's definitely not going to work because I don't have any hair up here. Like, my brow goes like really thick and then stupid thin right there for some reason. Whatever. But she cute. This one is just coming. So we will say that the Dollar Tree beard color, this is the black one, but the Dollar Tree beard color works. Just not in 5 minutes. It works, but just definitely not in 5 minutes. I would say leave it on for a good 15-20 minutes and get your color on, because it works. It just takes forever to develop. So we're definitely going to give this like a 7 out of 10. We can't give her a full 10. We can't give her an 8 because definitely she does not color the skin the way I wanted to. But she definitely does the brows. And it could definitely be me. Who knows? But anyway, I'm very satisfied with the $1 that I spent. And we'll come back and show you guys the full face. So I put on concealer just to try to clean up a bit. I didn't want to add any pencil or anything to it because I want to give you guys the raw look. So this is what it looks like. This side, again, is bae. And then this side, I don't really know. She looks good from a distance. Like, sis looks really good from a distance. So she probably going to grow on me a little bit. But otherwise, this is my results. And I put a little concealer and a little powder on just so I didn't look too crazy. You can definitely see that they filled in. And will I try it again? I don't think I'm gonna try it again with the black because I'm a little worried about the black being too dark. And I don't want black brows. I definitely like the natural brown look. However, I might mix the brown and the black for this side just so I can get a little darkness to fill in that brow. Overall, I am very pleased. I am glad that it does not take 20 minutes for me to do my lashes anymore. Like, not my lashes, my brows anymore. And I recommend it. Go to the Dollar Tree, get you some beard tint, and do your eyebrows. It works. 7 out of 10. And thank you guys. Comment below if you like this video. Comment below if you want me to do any other types of videos like this. I'm really trying to get into the swing of YouTube. Like, I really am not consistent, and I'm really trying to figure out what it is that I want to do on this channel. I'm definitely going to do my business stuff, but also just making, you know, being more personal and showing you guys like my everyday life too. So comment below if you would like to see any specific videos. I will definitely get those videos pushed out for you. And subscribe, of course, so we can get this thing popping. Thank you again for watching, and I'm gonna shut up now. Okay, bye.